stop using AI like a toy. Most people grab one popular tool, type something vague, and wonder why the results are generic. That's like buying one wrench and calling yourself a mechanic. Today, we're building a real AI toolbox. Think of it this way. A weekend mechanic has a small, messy kit. A pro racetrack mechanic has a system. Their toolbox is organized. Every tool has a purpose, and they move fast. That's the goal for you with AI. Here's the framework. Get a main tool for daily writing, a backup tool for when the first one fails, and a creative tool for those wow moments. But here's the real secret. Don't guess the prompt. Ask the AI to write the best prompt for the specific tool you're using. Then, when you get a great result, save that prompt in a simple folder system. This isn't about working harder. It's about building a system so AI becomes a calm, reliable partner. You are the engine. AI is your toolbox.